Hey, have you ever stopped and really told yourself there has to be more to life than just working, paying bills, and stay broke at the end of the month? What if you could live life by design? You can design the life you've always dreamed of. Wake up when you're done sleeping, travel the world whenever you want to, be able to give your kids the best education and the best lifestyle you've always dreamed, and create a legacy of freedom for you and your family and generations to come. Well, that can be true at the end of this video. You are about to discover a proven step-by-step system that would allow you. Now let me ask you, what would you do with time, money, and health? Would you be able to travel around the world with your family, helping others in need? Would you be able to design a FIRE plan? What is a FIRE plan? Financially independent, retired early plan. Now, we all know we're going through the biggest economic shift in the history of mankind, and the platforms of the new economy are digital. And now, more than ever, many people are creating wealth in abundance through them. So let me ask you, which side of the economy are you in? Are you just a consumer? It's time to change that. One of the so many benefits of being a modern entrepreneur is being able to build a different type of income called residual income, where you do the job well done once and you get paid for the rest of your life. You work on a flexible schedule remotely, and this income is passed down up to 3 generations. How to be part of it? We will show you exactly how this remote money-making system works. This is the lowest risk, lowest overhead for any average person to build a successful business with the comfort of their phone. We want to share with you exactly how to do it to help you design the life you always wanted. All we do is connect people to consume our products through this platform, and you earn while being in any part of the world, whether you're at home sleeping or vacations with your family. Our company gives us the opportunity to participate in several mega trends that people all over the world are crazily seeking for. And you can even earn trips while doing something that you've already been doing. You just haven't been paid for doing it. Probably never knew you can build your own business. So imagine you have your own e-commerce business. From the comfort of your phone, you don't have to invest in your website. You don't have to invest in a system. You don't have to create the products. You don't have to get the products and ship them out. The company ships them for you. All we do is connect people to consume our products. You get paid. Now let me ask you, what price do you put to your health? This company holds the patents for world's biggest discovery in prevention science, with a very strong science background of a messenger molecule that trains your immune system to work smarter, not harder, and has their products featured in the Doctor's Physician's Desk Reference, USA.
4Life Transfer Factor is clinically proven to activate the immune system within 2 hours. Transfer factors aren't vitamins, minerals, or herbs. They are molecules that transfer immune memory and knowledge from one cell to another. They teach your immune system to recognize, respond to, and remember potential threats. 4Life Transfer Factors provide vital information and education to your immune system. Let's follow the path of transfer factors through the body as they raise your immune IQ. First, the capsule travels down your esophagus to the stomach. There, it dissolves, and the individual transfer factor molecules are released. The transfer factor molecules enter the intestines, where they encounter groups of immune cells called Peyer's patches. Peyer's patches are concentrated centers of immune cells, and this is where 4Life Transfer Factor begins educating your immune system. They support many different kinds of immune cells, such as natural killer cells, T cells, B cells, macrophages, and more. When the transfer factors encounter an uneducated immune cell, they enter and educate that cell so it can better recognize, respond to, and remember health threats. From there, the newly educated cell creates more transfer factors to place on its surface. As educated immune cells come into contact with uneducated immune cells, they pass their immune system knowledge to those cells. The education spreads cell to cell until it reaches a lymph node, a concentrated source of immune system cells. Here, the educated cells work quickly to transfer their immune system knowledge, and soon all the cells in the lymph node have transfer factors to pass to the rest of the immune cells in your body. This transfer of immune knowledge spreads throughout the body until your entire immune system is fortified by transfer factors, making for a smarter and more vigilant immune system. Try 4Life Transfer Factor products today to raise your immune IQ.
So now the question, how do we generate income? Well, remember, wealth is directly related with the amount of people you can impact. The more people you can help, the more money you can make. The more money you can make, the more good you can do to others and be able to live a purposeful life, helping others in their way as well. Okay, so who's going to support me? Where do I begin? We have a system in place where we have designed everything in guides in our Facebook group so you can have the support of our team in over 100 countries. We have our Wednesday night Zoom meetings. We're locking arms to make things possible and make your dreams come true. Whether you want to travel more, save money, get more money back, or just have some wiggle room, eventually create something more substantial. So get with the person who invited you and start setting a game plan that is designed exclusively for you and your dreams so you can begin to do life differently. You can enjoy the best days of your life, and you can live, not just survive. Together, we weather the storm, and united we rise to make this world a better place. Are you ready to take charge of your future and your dreams? It's time to connect with the future you now. It's time to conquer your dreams and make them a reality. And it's time to do life differently and bring freedom home. Welcome to the social economic movement all over the world.